so one also able chidom kama ama bibia konkan na promasidor for ede onga mama's helping hand ede able ye chidom apiaye no ni nyina no na just hot kinky enso ejina mu den da ya na meka se godum wanto na wontimi nidi malaria na ache wo a ubehia time herbal mixture apomden papa no ye de amawo na afi adechie nyame ya dum a wo chena bradwo ye nyina ye nhia ewo kantamanto na sompa obi bas yemfa bas ni mu achede ne nyina no emawo bra RSYD Novigi Studios enso boa ya bo echidom na yetimi asom wo no wo mada romanti se anwumre wo ti yanka ewo Sompa 106.5 FM so ewo nkran ha sabre ya no udu asantemantamu a Sompa 93.1 FM eno ewo Kumase wo agigum ayiko 100.9 FM enso wo Kumase ya wo no nso epia pa ni nyina mu no Adamfopa radio one ma hin kro pari mu ho no eho no no so ewo France eho no gina ya wo agigum den eno achi Sompa 101.1 ewo takwa Sompa 103.3 ewo takrade Sompa 106.1 ewo tachiman Sompa 98.9 wo sunyane Sompa 90.7 ewo nkranza Sompa 101.3 eno nso ewo doma ena Kingdom 106.1 FM ewo mankasim Kaneshi Urban Radio eno nso wankra ha ya Kaneshi wano nso jigum kama ya waboa ya asempatre no ama manfo ho nyina nso nya Ghana ansem no bi etie afi udi code na so no eya Sompa FM o ye gina musa belaba ana afi Facebook and TikTok no eno nso eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra YouTube no eye Sompa FM live na www.sompaonline.com nso ensemi mu dodo na ano ni nyina egu ho a ubetimi akokenkan na medin ede Obrempong na kwaku ampoma afi anwumre yi asemo a eda paso a ye betutu ne sere ne nutu ene ne masa no ede ama wo no ye mo ho nkomoyi abusia enrada ye wo ho ye nto anka asrompo nso ye ene ye te se gini bisa asodafo ye wo ho wono mo atu aban agu na gini bisa na woni akwa abato so a anka efiri nne ede kwa akosi na wotwe a ebesi mu anase na wotwe awie ye de na anya hwe kra no womo ebebobo abato no ho nsunsanso ede ama na yehunu sene ye ebekọ na mampani a wote adwaso anase na wote adwaso a sabre womo chese womo atu na de so no eye Umaru Sisoko Ibalu wono na ete akodwaso na abusia join ye wo Facebook ne so eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na behwa de ma mesisi a na saasama ye kan eno na unenam internet ne so na fe o hwemu a na o keka ehwe se ne niam ekwa na abusa ho se ekoba ne sen kra eno no efrihi ena de aba bedru ba bia ewi eno ntiema Sompa kase ye yesi bebu nkompo akoya chikakra yemfa ne mfie numu a atwa mu free 2020 ede besi 2025 na ya kan ya ba besi gini bisao womo enkomoyimu na 2020 no ede ba no ne aye hwe eye abantuguo ne akoso ewa bibre mu a yeguso fofora beto so aye ka ho asem na August 2020 ena Mali ebisi ho na Mali ho no ne yakoso a na ehon nsem akoye bebre ewo ho no na Ghana fo bebre nso no ewo ho nsem kan ye bebre ewo ho na ansana ye besa akoso akoye chibio na ya bosa ankomo no yenko ahoma ne so na ye ne Dr. Kwesi Baini eba no se bambosemu a papa Agyeiwaa Abena pa ye ne no enkobo nkomo na ye musasa so edien na abenti a ebibrem we ya no watwetuo na watu aban ato agu we ya no watwetuo na watu aban ato agu eye dien ene ma ne basa Doc pepacho otiminka Sompa 106.5 FM sunie memo akwa aba o Doc pepacho otiminka
me so that's ranka pa
yo ye da se anwumre se waje bre na oni yen ebon komo na Doc minim se we no enye wanimsam nia asi ewa gini bisa yi na yegusumpo aye kasa na ye twa ye ni akohwe ya chikakra free 2020 ede ba besi afi 2025 kuwa asi etitiri ewa bibimemu mona mabene ewa bambo mu eye bambosam no na abibimemu yemfa na semunti na akoba ne sei no ana wadama.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much. But with what is happening, I think my colleague, Professor Emin, has made a statement referring, or let's refer to him that coming down. And Ishenia Okaina, and it was referring to the plausible scenarios that could follow. If you have the security and the governance measures, are a reduced risk on the regional and continental consequences. It's a coup. I mean, make a reference to reporting and the regional analysis. My online joy online.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'm put some code to Professor and an international coverage as far back as this month, November 2025. Yeah, AKOSUA will be signing. Now, let's take a quick context from Professor in your kind, and I quote him. I'll say that the coup in Guinea-Bissau, 27th of September 2025, may not be the last in West Africa. That one, come after soldiers took control after disputed election in Kosovo. Now, when you look at what he said now we'll show the plausible scenarios that could follow, either in a short term and as a medium term. What I can deduce, contagion or domino effects. Now, where one successful military takeover lowered the political and the psychological barrier for similar actions elsewhere, in the states with weak institutions, so factionalized by politics or militaries,
Sompa 106.5
with the poor oversight, this may not be the last. I'm trying to, expand what he said. I've said that the popular coup or popular legitimacy narratives, who framed as anti-corruption. Normally, coup is because of as anti-corruption or corrections to the bad governance are attractive domestic support normally, or usually. Now complicated external pressure. Now sanctions. Entrenchment of juntas and foreign alignments. The business juntas consider power and extended tradition. Them time and also and they build alternative external partnerships, finding state and private actors they are willing to engage without democratic preconditions. And now reduce regional leverage. And the recent analysis show a regional bodies struggling to sustain the pressure. And instability spillovers, like civil unrest, refugee flows, transnational crime, and weakening of the border controls, follow raising security costs for the neighboring countries or neighbors within that area. Now, another thing I want us to know is that we shall therefore a result of consequences for Africa, and not Africa, but particularly the AKOSUA West Africa, the impact is very high. One is economic disruption and sanctions. Kuyabe and Etabe, who often would trigger sanctions, border closures, suspension from regional bodies, and a lot of foreign aid or investment. It will affect the neighboring world countries or neighboring countries. Now, the growth, said the growth and the mechanism of growth. Fee. And cross-border trade. So the perfect. Especially the ECOWAS response to prior AKOSUA. The way I'm responding to it's a loss of economic costs. And the fragmented regional governance and integration setbacks. Now, repeated push undermine the trust in regional institutions. ECOWAS and the EU, African Union, and slow down the project like to say integration and infrastructure cooperation. And Kabum and that area distorted. Going further, security vacuum and criminal economies and also a factor are affected West Africa and Africa. Now, for example, the weak states or become having havens of war for traffic of drugs, weapons in the Nipa. Now, extremism so Edward give me beside history with narcotic trafficking is a cautionary example. Now, geopolitical realignments and another threat. Now, joint arsenal may seek recognition. They may also want the military support or finance outside traditional partners. Now, changing regional diplomacy and diminishing the normative pressure. Some of the best are back to civilian women.
Now, as I say, 2 minutes be your mode.
Thank you. Now, he said there's a practical security and governance measures to reduce group risk. For example, what ECOWAS states and partners can realistically do, and I'm perceiving the way. Below, also, the measures group or make me attitude say, "Crime first one reduce this in here." They have to prevent it, do something toward decay. Say, and then respond. Now, the practical evidence-based steps, must still have okay. ECOWAS for pitch me and EU pitch me.
Sompa FM.
And this is what I've seen for the past experiences.
Okay.
One, let's look at the prevention. How do they prevent these things in Africa and West Africa of these issues? Causes of it. Let me share the long term. One, Mr. said they need to strengthen civil institutions and rule of law. Now, I think they're very paramount. And so, therefore, someone improve some kind of judicial independence. Ghana, anti-corruption bodies must be what? Must be also checked. Yes, we do OSP agent and credible election management to reduce perceived justification for military intervention. We know the idea which me other AU and I said ECOWAS able to me share now be preventing all this kind of coups. The next is what? Economic policies to reduce grievances. And it's saying they have to target social programs transparent resources and managing it, and a job creation for youth to reduce what all this kind of vices and the social pressure. Joint affair efforts were exploited. So, and the coup, someone else under the coup would thrive where economies are failing and elites look extractive kind of commodities. Just to do a message, security sector reforms, security sector reforms, SSI missions. Now,
Sompa FM.
Now, we need to professionalize armed forces. Make clear the legal frameworks, better pay conditions, political career paths, and external oversight. That is to say, parliamentary and civilian in your oversight of this area. And then another thing that bothers my heart is meritocratic promotion system. Because so the rank is so promotion. They must be given. So, hello.
Dr. Pacho, metie pa.
Until do the pemper so the rank so as I saw audio promotion. He must be given. That has been the problem of the police and the military and other agencies in this country and other African countries. Ni international, and ni na contribute to the coup. And so they must give the political or military incentive to seize power, and then that's what they take. They need to declare. That's one thing I want to. The ECOWAS and the AU must do everything to deter people from, so that it will raise political and material cost of coup. Now, there must be rapid and credible regional response capacity. So ECOWAS, hello.
Dr. Pacho, yetie pa. Agyeiwaa classroom ntino, ya attentive you.
But that's it. So ECOWAS needs a timely, predictable responses. For example, sanctions, diplomatic isolation, travel and financial freezing, one freeze over that particular country, and combined with political pressure. But responses, must be consistent to be credible. Because in terms of research critics, research critics, they critique ECOWAS on even enforcement and reforming capacity and decision making is essential here. And I'm going to attention. Going further now, what will prevent them or deter them is what pre-arranged consistency tools. Now, the regional contingency council, diplomatic penalty ladders, and a targeted access, will freeze and reduce junta incentives, so that by promoting measurable pain for unconstitutional seizure of the governance of that particular country. And the ECOWAS, peace found strategic plan should highlight mechanism for faster responses. And external partner coordination, aligning donor, financial sector, and diplomatic measures, like EU, AU, UN, major bilateral partners, to then join that, exploiting the external divides. Now, there will be the need for response to stabilize and restore constitutional order when a coup happens. Then, targeted sanctions plus humanitarian exemptions. So, in the sanctions, as I said, a punishing leadership, but not the population. In fact, that population, the receiving ends. And the leadership of the coup must be punished, including humanitarian carve-outs and monitoring. Evidence from the past cases, blunt sanctions can harm civilians and erode regional support.
Now,
some to me are prevented here, and I stop where. Then, of course, mediation and negotiated transition with guaranteed benchmarks. So, by the time some person more the mediate the negotiation transition now, you must be guaranteed benchmarks. That way, you see neutral mediation to secure concrete timelines. In Pempi, never to move on. Most such a start time we they stop here to handle and year Juma. Then release detainees or Mamma that you are detaining what the president there, and restoration of what civilian institutions monitored by independent observers. By a man, in fact, then they have to prevent external military reinforcement of the contest. So other external world, USA or so, external, not from the country. Diplomatic counter pressure to deny, legitimacy and logistical and military resupply to coup leaders, and also everywhere. Now, medical, number seven can say specific recommendations be able to say the AU and the AKOSUA and the national government, the practical and the prioritized. And he said, AKOSUA institution reforms, number one. AKOSUA institutional reforms. The kind of say, there's a need for ECOWAS to streamline decision making, build a small rapid reaction and political diplomatic cells, and making enforcement of the 2001 democracy protocol automatic and transparent signing. They have to invest in early warning systems and civilian or military confidence building. I mean, I'm not a photo about them. I know. There must be frequent joint assessments, community policing models, and a regional training product to reduce military isolation and politicization. I thought about said there should be the need for domestic political reforms where the risk is very high. So now independent electoral commissions, anti-graft measures, and an inclusive governance, that is to say power sharing where exclusion fuels the coup. And I put you back to say there must be the need for strategic engagement with external partners. And the party said there must be alignment of financial controls, swift assets, and the corresponding bank relationships. So, international economic pressures can be applied quickly to coup regimes without harming the humanitarian needs. Now, question maybe someone said, what's the rest of Africa? The meaning can put to them the money for ECOWAS, but what the rest of Africa and neighbors should prepare for now? And they say border and migration contingency planning. No more anticipated said flows and transnational crime will go up. 2, to Africa, economic risk mitigation. How some a diversified trade and food supply routes I'm doing and prepare physical buffers for sanctions Cuba. Senator, yeah, into where they Cuba, other neighboring countries didn't be for no more country. How do they manage in terms of feeding and etc.? Now the bottom line is what in summarizing the market in idea. Now there's a professor in one in or the man. It's plausible. Now, in a region with several, for instance, recent cool and fragile institutions like West Africa, and so suppose AKOSUA within a short time, a successful takeover can inspire a better minimum crime. So, yeah, we are in the country, and embolden as some Kutupa as actors who see the military as what? Political solution. No, it's not. In my summary, we need to think of preventing that requires a mix of domestic reforms, economic, judicial, security sector, stronger and more credible regional tools, reform capacity building for ECOWAS and AU, and a coordinated international measures.
Okay.
And then that will raise the cost of so that the leaders will, while protecting the civilians. The crackdown, the recent report that AFP Guinea-Bissau of the takeover on 25th of December, and then the academic policy analysis of West Africa could back assessment. I'm going to draw my attention if these things I've said, if they are listening to me or they will listen to me or you make news out of it, I think it will be okay. But that's it.
Doc, what can you na baako pe bia me pese me busa ewo ho na we de me jao na oji wa ho me kakra ne se yanhwe te se na esi wo Burkina na manfo na nkasa no the citizenry one ankasa no now are in support of the military takeover. And no 1. 2. Near SC currently our Guinea-Bissau yi and also atisem a yati de free war air banese some to aberia President Otiso no Umaru Sissoco onim se wa lose awie nti no ono na oni military na planning all this coup ya ye ka ho asemi and wo ma ye ne say abduction and wo mo de aye coup no. Papa minim say what is that angle no coming from Guinea-Bissau no what bia now the hwehwenia sanctions are all kan yi what the ECOWAS and the sub-region no should do na Burkina omanfo na ho ne pene so say Ibrahim Traore wontena konwa ne so ku no a wonfa ntena so womope ni aya to aba a ono nso onim se walusu eno nti allegedly amane opponent kranswa can be there to so say on the military na ye 1 ama military no a stage sa ku year ene abeye news aye nyina ye can be doc say ye can we mienu bomu a how do we take it?
Second part no if I say we say so Otisino president Otisha you be telling no only the current coup protest no aye back.
Yes, that is the news. Civil society organizations are Guinea-Bissau alleging, with which the main rival of the election no is also alleging the same. Say because the sitting president Umaru Sissoco ono lose election no in advance intino onim say okofie no, then let me stage or plan a coup with the military. Let the military take over. Then I can sit somewhere and enjoy or something of that sort. That is the allegation if we Guinea-Bissau ever.
Oh, okay. So that is fine. That is alleging.
Yes.
We are yet to establish the truth out of it. It could be yes. It could be no. But if it is yes, then what was the capacity and the wisdom of the president that you were having all the apparatus, all the tools You have fought the world drug barons. I said Nigeria, Boko Haram, Amatasun, America has supply on money, has supply on tools, all these years. That is why General Trump and the people said, then you will come and fight these people because all the money you have given to you, any military tools said now to fight in here. What is it? And I said, or what? That means who the president, you are not capable. Donald Trump, for example, before I come back, for example, in the case of Nigeria, as a reference, or pull out a letter written by what the same president today, when he was in opposition, said into your president there okay at our training into the AKOSUA at ASOKOFO abombomu into me back. These are the things that are paid naso. The Sikabia Edmama American government, they have records. We keep records. Coming back to Guinea Bissau, AKOSUA, let's say we are president, you have the military, you have the ministry, we have the police, you have the your national security. All these people are available for you. Why were you not using them to tap and to crush these drug baron people who are indeed a sabotage to the economic development of Guinea-Bissau? In the Sompa, now AKOSUA is being alleged. Say, you want to walk on some year could never say Canada and to cover up and political and do that. Then it's unfortunate. Now, these could know not only that one, but the issue is that most of them must understand, and we all in Africa say, military is not under any circumstances, nowhere that are trained to rule a country. By the constitution of every country and democracy, their training is to fight external aggression of that particular country. They are trained and prepared. Anything that is entering the behavior or mining, it is a task, it is a practice, it is a responsibility of the military to deter it, to prevent it, to fight it. Why is the police of every state is to also ensure peace and order in the country. And that's why we call them law enforcement agency. Or on the Senate or the House of Representatives of other countries who are practicing federalism. Then, and the police for national kutupa, so they should enforce it. And that is why they have another name, law enforcement agency. It is a Guinea-Bissau. It's also well, and Africa. You're not coming to state that for you. It is neither here or there. They are not. They just come to correct, streamline it, reposition it, and quickly ensure say, I'm organizing election. I'll supervise the election. So election commission in America Canada. May hand over within a short time. That should be their role. They are there to correct, prevent. Is it what we are seeing?
Omono are there to just protect and prevent external aggressions, not to take over the country.
Yes. And if that's what they come out, they must be sure any constitutional mandate. No. Constitution is the paramount, is the key. They must make sure some one thing they have to organize election, supervise it, and hand over and go back to the brass.
Doc, you knew a necrano, a Guinea-Bissau Yasama, ye Kenya, now you can allegations I free hobby. What we are being told, Nisse, I say, my main friend free, I say, Mbalo is being held by the army at its staff headquarters, where he's being, quote and unquote, well treated. Near free Hobanono.
That means the man is being well treated, eh?
Yes, and this is being reported by the BBC.
Yeah, who is being well treated?
Mbalo, Omaru Sissoko Nankasa.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it is beginning to lead us to what you were saying as our legend. But that is, if it's come out to be true, then it's unfortunate.
Doc, my now I say, na yamfan komo yinsi hansa. Na obika say akoye running story die. Fufuro bia bechra. Ene lectures are odi amaye no. Ye besa babio ne abeji update kakra. Ye da se enwumre so ajebre ne abonkomo.
That's the mamenya copy of the interview.
Me patcho mate, me na available dia ma enche bia. Ebusia nipa ene ne bo enkomo yi eye Dr. Kwesi Baini. Wono oye security expert. Eba ne bambosemu a wa bene papa nti. Baby a wono so watie, ni awatie, ni awakenkan, ni awahunu, ene ni experience ni sue hunu ya wanya ewo abantuguo mu no. Na eno ho nkomo ena wode amaye no ene ho sue hu no na me ka bi kira wo ewo ni efri 2020 ede eba no ni a esie ewo abibima mu no Mali August 18 2020 ena Asim Goita woye eku na woye eku yiye no woje mu ede maaye senka womo entoa so emu man no eno nti hwade Sabre no na mampani a wote adwaso no eye Ibrahim Boubacar Keita ena wone ne prime minister Bubu Sisi womu yi womu free ho ena womu agi akonya no tena so womu wiye no ena womu jemu ede ma ba ndo se bosumi du nwotwe wonfa ntoto niema na ono Asimi Goita no womu ye no vice president yanka na saa wono so tena asedi no hu se ndo niama waya no nye eno sign tu ni biu 2020 ho na May 24 2021 eno tu no ena Chad April 20 2021 General Mahamat Idris Deby Itno wono so ebetu aban egu ye Guinea September 5 2021 Colonel Mamadi Bubuya wono so ebetu Bumbuya wono so betu aban tugu ye ewa Africa heya ena Sudan October 25 2021 General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan wono so betu aban guye ewo hwa Burkina yesro heya January 24 2022 ena Lieutenant Colonel Paul Henry Sandaogo Damiba ebetu aban guye wono tu aban guye January 24 2022 no ena Captain Ibrahim Traore wono so betu no September 30 2022 enti soja aban na soja nso abeje ena Niger July 26 2023 General Abdurrahman Chiani na dodo na nim se friend Omar Chiani wono ebetu aban guye o Niger ena Gabon August 30 2023 General Bryce Aligul Nguema wono so betu aban guye na yenim senka etuo betwa ena Madagascar honso October ya 2025 ehona Colonel Michael Randianirima ebetu aban ne tuguye no na nkenim se anya hwe kranka ye de 2025 na gu ene se enra Guinea Bissau nso womo nso ede womo de ede abeto aso no na Guinea Bissau no onipa wono se wabedi soja aban ne so na so di soja abeji sesi an eye General Horta Ntam wono na sesi wababeji akonya no ewo Guinea Bissau sesi wo kitam eno nti efri 2020 edi besi 2025 9 coup d'etat ena esie ewo abibrem enkoa 5 years ntam no coup d'etat makomako 9 abantugo nko makomako 9 ena esie enkron kafra enkron ena esie ya eyawre hosem mene wo ka say African Union ene European Union ene ECOWAS wo biad na no atomo bi e kire se nia esie no enye ebo man eno nti wo munyae yeguso ewa atwaneyem ne yebeto fom wa kire bia no ye de bema afei sompa hotbite kase ne nto aso ye de to aso e de amawo
ene na hot no yemfiri hot ntam de ne so na ententem yensa kase no so asenwura mu ha na eno no mede wo kɔ bono mantemu ba bia sompa 98.9 wo na sompa 101.3 ebutu no ehɔ na ayere ho sembiesi abamu ai edi a edi nim no na Abraham na wone ne nkanchema Esther David netie ewie mobile phone ho mfa nkɔ mfa ma yire sai ne yire wono mo kyerɛ wa ye operation kura enchei wa nyuma no a mewie ne wogya ne tim kagya kojo wati nananom wonse do ɛna nso ma nani ase hancho sesi a meka sei apolisifoɔ wo bono mantam aso ne page a wosi kantaba ka kura den wo mo busa na ade kropotia e ka no ntia ewie ya sabre wo mo hwehwe ne nkanchema Esther Davis a yenhu na wate asefa asase so na mom asukotwea adaka mo mekere firi gym ne ebehu no apolisifoɔ egusu anhwemu no koso na mom adokotafoɔ nso kopaapai ahwa ade kropotia ya enam so ma Esther oti nanam wonse de sɛ de mu nsɛm te no sompa ya de beto
Abusia share on Facebook no so ya damu live aya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra like page ni ma yen wa share ama foforo so anya bi ahwe na wa bra na be hwe ani so ade video bi ya enra eba nyina na chese ne nam tintanfidie no so a wotie kasa wanum kan na emfante kasa na ewompa na emrante ya be se duni akire ene o ma chinketesia mienu ya yi bitie ye de yiwan yi bitie titititi ebi entade mbehwe no Facebook ni se bia na video na mbeka mu asam no na wani nya ntwaso eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra bra na behwe de na me amani bo video no so wantinta video sam se na emrante etimi chima pa eye wo mu se sabi ti sade ma na hyada base munyeti na wa yentade mu emmo ye kwatere kwa ana wadum ye no video mu ibra na be hwai na fa comment no eto ase na omai posi adwumakwa ne hu video no wo mantena wadum to so IGP ne emrante no wo mai o ma de bio wadum se wo ne special cyber vetting and enforcement team a ehye Ghana Police Service no adwumakwa no emo ana wo mo hwehwe mu akohu se sa video no efrita kwa atoye mantamu ton ena nenam ententan fidie ne so wanum akwachi enipa be se edu ya wamu kirem se baako de wato nkuruma egu ne nase na wanum kirem se Eric Donko wanu dodo na afra no kera block owo mfinhia na aduasa emienu ya ojima ewo mfinhia aduokono owo mfinhia no aduonu enkono 29 Edmond Nate ewo mfinhia no aduonu enai 24 wamu miensa pa na video no esi wamu matri so wo hwe wamu a wamu na ekutakuta yiwan ya wamu bom man naked wanu de so watade mu ni atwa na wotse wo background ne say wasa aduro ne hyen obi nim se ebia na ma na kwagia yire duro ena ebia wamu hu wamu to ena ja wamu bom kwatere kwa yi nro ne dia yentumi nkire sabre ya police ya so wo mu ena wamu kwachirem na police fu a wanom ewo aya Western Central Police Command no DCOP Desmond Obrempong ena wonu Sompa kase atwetwe nkomo akire mu se abrantie baako a wan dia me se video no na wodi muntintin mapa na nia bre ewuro man ho twetwetwa wa montade mu no dodo na afre ne tawia na wa mo bɔ mrane awaga wa mo se wano de wadwane ya wa mo hwehwe na che nemom wa mo maka faruku ene Mensa Bernard mo adu bagio yi Bismarck nyako akwasipoku George ene oten Alfred mu nyina de posi adwumako ni fe no Western Central Police Command no wa mo ache wa mo a DCOP Desmond edi mu komo kire yen
eche bia na me de video bia ye nyina ye hu se emma bi ede razor eyi omuti abra obia nim adekura esi na enam sa video enti Inspector General Police man ni team a omoye cyber ho adwuma ebeka Western Central Police Command no ho ema ye kocheche sa emrantie omoye sa de no na emrantie no ese ema no awia omu baako sika enuti ena omochi omu a na omo eyi omu tiri ho eyi omu ho nyina ama amansan ehwe omodaja na nipa miensa a omuwom Eric Donko alias Killer Brock a wadi mfie aduasa mienu ya jima a wadi mfie aduonu nkron ena Edmonati a wadi mfie aduonu nnan eka sankrofo ehu a yehu wo video ni mu a no mo ye ema no mo katekate ema ne eti na de ehu no video ni mu a no yi of ema ne ti a ye frɛ no tawia alias awaga de ono de wadwane prosi ensa anka no ne ye de betimi aye bia sɛ ye sabeka no na ye de na gina emranim
deɛ yɔmo betimi bia wanom ɛbɛyɛ ɛno akyi no DCOP Desmond no ɛde nsɛm to dwa ɛwɔ abra ɛkɔ atwumasi ya wo gina ya nemo ɛwɔ Sompa takwa wɔno so yɛ adwumani ɛwɔ Sompa takwa wɔno so ɛtoman ya wo kyerɛ mu sɛ DCOP ka akyerɛ adehye nyinaa sɛ ebia wuhu bibi saa na agya won so waboa na bibia atumi akoso na wɔmo akyere wɔmo ne de wɔmo amene boa no musu agusu sɛ yɛde wɔmo begira mmara no ano so wɔkyere nsɛm bi ɛka ho
emu nso ɛso yɛ ɔmo ɛne saa miɛnsan ɛka bo mu edi saa bonisemi omudin ene didi suwe Steven Amo awadi mfie aduonu nnan Farouk Balas awadi mfie edunwotwe Mensa Bernard awadi mfie edunwotwe Adu Badio awadi mfie aduonu miensa Bismarck Nyako awadi mfie aduasa Akwasi Poku George awadi mfie edunwotwe Oten Alfred awadi mfie aduonu miensa nkrofo a yachi omu aka nipa miensan ho a omu nyina eboa saa bonisem yi abra omu chi saa emaba awai na saa nipa du ya process aka omu no ye betoto omu ano ne yahwe omu a omu ka ho pa omu di saa bonisem yi ne ade omu akwakodina court ama court edi obasem
abusia video no ada so da yɛnhwɛ ne ngoma no so Facebook no so ɛyɛ Sompa 106.5 FM Accra bra na bɛhwɛ sɛ video yi pa wo hwɛ sɛ de abrante hyɛ da sɛ sister yi mra ne hokora no wanyi ne ti anka bi ontimi nyine kama saa sɛ wɔn mu ayi wɔn mu ti pa de yi gwan na wo hwɛ sister baako ne tiri hu pra moja ya wɔn mu ntade no so ya twetwa mu ni ade a Areho DCOP Desmond ono one openia upiemo ewo Western Central Police Command na weye openia wetria no Desmond Owusu Buampong yamani boni ekuya twumasi Sompa takwa wono ene tonkrai esom yen
yeguso gina prosifo nkomo na mu na weye enfifi mantamu maami bi wakodi nsansame ewa asimfosu na ne boni nie yase wode kankan fit sika dada kra ne bi no ena de akwa asimfosu dwem ekodi dwa na okoya ne brode o banche no waton kontomire ka ho ene ye woto bibia bi na okita 100 cities ni 200 cities no to no enu bi na kita no last one ne bi ene kita no wo mo hwe ne nsem a sika di e ho mo a na wada wonsore asa nsu ogusu na afo na abogo na ase tokurokura ya abam ena mamba ko sa maame usika di ase ozu onu ano no ya papa wo hwe din no mu se da bi sa de na enye dada kra ehwa na ne wo mo bo akire ma asinfo su prosifo ena wo mo ye ntem ena wo be che maami na ne din a prosifo do so onu wo mo nya ya no eya Mary Court dodo na afra na akweli ne din a wo se wodeda ne ho so no akweli won bu san so free kwasema won kran ha ena wade adu asinfo su ekwa akodi dwa na wokoya wo mo do so ne bag mu hwehwe mu no sika wo munya free ni bag no mu no 1900 Ghana cedis kan sika no 90 million ni nyina anya papa ni nyina ye fake eno na wo mu doso no abusabusa no na won sada nka no kra no nti district crime officer ya wa asimfosu ASP Rosemond Duncan woni sompaka se bon komo no che se oh wono wankasa mu no kra no wo se wo mu ni di nkomo no ne mpena ya your friend Evans wo ya Nigeria ni wono na de sika no ma no ese won fa medidwa enfamra na abrante friend Evans no de me ne wokasei wato nkruma gunu na ase ya wadwane ye prosifo ase he wunim dwane nsin prosi ena wunim dwane kura wunim te wona wadwane nso a watete na nyankopon wo be yusu ahan enu nti wo mo ka de atoso ache se akwele de woni ache no na Evans ba bia wo bia fa homa prosi nyasa na prosifo be chewa dan to asene ma ne asie e wa asimfusu wo mfimfi mantem mu eno no
eno obese na adwuma ni ho eno nkyese kwabokro no ndi sate bia posifo ebema emra na di no pa na woyi aye kan na mampane His John Dramani Mahama wahima kunu so no na mahafomantem mu sabre no ena okopie mu okuku mu a wokopa adwumadie bi ho ntemechese sesi yewa Donald Trump America mampani sade wode sikatoɔ bi etoto ye niema nkedi be firi ha ba so a wokoda dwene ho a wose wayi afiri so no adinya kase aba nti obi amfa ne ho nyim na no na vegetable development project na wopa ho ntema nti wo chese akakaduro no makono tomakese no ene atosode ahodo aye wo my Ghana mu abrofo no nso hia ne sa honte yamfa sa kwanya no so na yenyere ye ho se ibedua nti ehono no wo chese ese wo maje asase yantam na akuafomfo ho nyim kuani bia asase a wo magege no wo mbechicheche mama obi anya kura no ekamienu ni fade wo betumi anya eno achi wo benya aduaba no na ba adua akade ahodo eka ho eno achi wo mbasa tututu nsuwansu akura wo samie no se de be na wo pesio ensuo to ye betumi adua afemu ni nyina ne yedi so mfaso
Jumedi ni Jumedia ebeko Ghana ha nyina enso ne ayebepa ho entumai eye enkro bako ekrobia
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sansemi kukuom ena wakaka na wa hafomantem wo free ho na wa mananso ho ena wode na ni kirem ewo bechem se one ahafofo ne bunofo nyina yakwa akokyem pepepe eho so wode asokọbọ fom se de be na poultry processing factory no wo mbetimi asie na sabre na akwanya akwa abronoma ebenezo usu ansa wo mu nyina na na edi akire na honso nsema mampani wode tu dwani
ye pa entuma no efa nkoto kitenkite no ye ka se enche bia ye de aso beba be bofom na ye bie hu factory ebi se oye nkoko na o se woton na fe so ye yire mo aye mabawa ai ka se o mo she high heel ni ade afi na obekwa konnuansu she na otwa ne mene na o siesie ho na otwitwa ansana what's media ye biane anede ye yiremo ahi no mo sha this usisi akoko no ye fefefe nti oba no aton na ode kofie no akokutwa na ode aye ni ode beye
wei eye bechem afomantem ewo bono na afa poultry processing development factory eno mampani dia sokọbọ from no eno wo kasai
Abusia wasa dwumadie kro na se esase eye akua ane nuane ho SMT wasoania wono wohwe saso ye no so onanyafo arikopoku no so etuamu se bonresi tai no ya bare pa wakasai ene wode ne nsam ekakra esudwa wachire mu sese de ebeya eyo manyi wo mo betumi aya agricultural sector no eyie na enuane bua yefo ukwadwa so antosi mokonya doa ne de kaka ye de babro na wato no fofofo no enuti ena won mo brei
Ebekunu nkuko maku employmensa 3,000 beds every day. Ahani wa dede same. Ejina side media inchi ema mapanyini owaha. Na emeya ayaba no. Sa render machine ya debe ka hono. Nkuko ni ti ebedika ni nyina. Na naina yempaka jiri nyina. Nkuko ntaka ni nyina no. Render machine no ebe process na edi aye fertilizer the dibia duane ebe yi ye besa duane feed aye bagia ye beti bia ma fishes ne bia ma nkoko na duane asa aye den edi
Entino enkukwo ani nuane ebe kakra no Agyei enkukwo nkitinkiti ya wan mo pa hontuma ya sese obia wodwo nkukwo ji ubro ni adi nuane aka hwen bro nya beso na sia na obia betumi aku akukwo awe ni fi ya wonkoto akukwo fosu na eno so aboa omeye ononyafo Eric Opoku wono ne suani a wo hwe agriculture ho sem so omeye mo de sansam no etu dwadwumade na sia no empani a wono so ekobi eye ahafo regional minister ononyafo charity Gardner wono so ada empanimfo ase ewa adwumason a wono moboyi Openi okasa ye yesuani a wano ohwe ahafo mantam no ano ononyafo charity Gardner amani boy Ebenezer Owusu ansa ene yenuanom ba ko no ene wombotoma na ye
sabra no nyina no na international reporter na opon checheku na wono so Ghana mrase odwafie na wotoma ne na mane no ode mane ye nyina no na ba ko ye se speaker ononyafo Alban Sumanna Kingsford Bagben ye twa ne tia se ask Bagben na wojina paso anase wote apaso a wo kasa ene se wo se na no ECOWAS parliament won mo ko ye na edom kuma no wo mo na no ni onyanfo Alexander Kwame na afanya makin na won ka ho na nso ade hwehwani mu ko ho a na no krampo no dom kase no na no ni atwen speaker adwen se wo mo pia no nko se privileges committee ho na wo mo ntoto na no sanse wo de mrase bedwa na ni ma ye efom eno na speaker agitum no se ampa we de wa contempa na ye no contempt of parliament ache no eno nti wonko privileges committee na wonko yi ne ho ano.
I therefore refer the matter, the complaint lodged by the honorable member for Boko Central and a majority leader to the Committee on Privileges and Immunities for examination, inquiry, investigation and report to the House. The committee is directed to ascertain the relevant facts giving rise to the complaint, including the actions taken by the House and by the honorable member concerned. Review those actions taken within the framework of our standing orders and the applicable protocols of the ECOWAS Parliament. Determine whether the conduct, if established, constitutes contempt of Parliament or a breach of privilege under Orders 30 and 31A. Make appropriate recommendations.
Alban Sumanna Kingsford ask Bagben ayam rase ojam chiame hene wan fane nsem na nso ho a wo wi e no say sanra court no kwa asetena no a na nsa ne de ba nyina no na Ghana fo nyina ka bie no se pandai abato no a wo moto ye no court ne se wo mo san court ne foforo eno nti wo agina ne tumi so se mrase ojam pani a kire se pandai akonwa no e kwanda ho bi atime prebi.
It is crucial to emphasize that Article 105 is penal in nature. Should the member know that he ought not to be in the chamber and he participates in the activities in the chamber. Honorable members, it's therefore too much premature to say that the Honorable Matthew Nyindam is disqualified from entering and participating in the proceedings of the House, because this period still falls within the 7 days mandatory stay of execution of the order. Honorable members, this is not a declaratory order, it is an executive order that was delivered by the High Court. And so the honorable member is right to have been in the House yesterday and to have participated in the proceedings.
We Alban Sumanna Kingsford Bagben nene ene yeti ye free Ghana mrase odwafie we nyina no yamane boni na opon chicheku international reporter wono ene to amane boyi ede esom yen ni nyina no se unya yas toothpaste ene ne brush ne bi na de twusia ebusia wo de uni problem crowd wono madawroma ene anwumre yi ye oba bitie adechia womo an ye san no moto kese na sompa obi bas no ye de ho nkomo ede abrawo me pacho tie yas toothpaste ene ne brush no efri Leicester Company Limited womo akache and womo de aba womo pese obi anu mu edi ninti and womo ne sompa ya to kese nanti Hotbite ene ne kase ento aso nyina no ma fa hoka say ye mfamre o se ne ye be ya won so betimi ade wani mu ni na bibia akoyie pa wo mo ne yesan no mo kosompa obi bas no wo madawro mantia afei ye ka obi bas ho asem yi se ne nsoma me say onga aye mama helping hand no aye promise of one de aba wo mo so ka ho bie ena ye kosompa obi bas no wo breko a wo mo de twisco ene na sefo nyina bia be ka ho yam vita ene cowbell awa america ni nyina ka ho no bie na wo mo betwa bie de ama ye wo chena kantamanto bekoyie pa promise of wo eba no ne ma papa say dia wo mo nko a ena eye ho adwuma wo breko a na time heba mixture enso ma ya pomodin e wo sa akachi ho no a wo chena kantamanto fo monye meso ye eba no ye ne time heba fo na eba wo mo na se wadum wato na wo ntimi ni a wo mutimi boawo ema wotimi di obere so aba time heba mixture malaria na achi wa mo academy time heba mixture ebe boawo ayi ni nyina de afiri ho so time HH mixture ene ne capsules no wo mo ana san de ba ye drontafo akabom na sa wononom oba na aba ma wonum bia eboa pa wa jonso ya de ewo so empam wa ye mbre oba wa hemfie ho ne man koyie no ebeboa wo ama ne manyina atimi atona kwamu kama na bia ye fine enye na pharmacy ne heba shops nyina mu na ebo mihye ne so senye mopemfo oba ho ma akoda nu fo na akoda wonya mfichie dum ye no wa wo pedodo ne watu aton no 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 wono madawroma enye wo nko a Bell Beverages womo kan ho ene de sompa obi bas no de brewo Bell Cola ena afei Bell Aqua ene Bellfo anomde ene nyina wom de nyina eba na bibia etumi aye fine afei 21st clinic womo so ba be free screening tienie echena free screening womo nya kapre eno nti bra ba ehwe wumpum watena dwemu ache da wote faako na se tata na wo miemia bi ho so afa na ehwiehwiaja saa de ne jai na bra 21st clinic ho na yemwa opa wo mo so kan ho bie multiple quest say udi dwuma bi opese ebo stage kase bi de ma say yakuma ye de TV kura san si nchen afi wo dan no ankasa na wasie no windows ni door installations ni nyina na opese be ne kama UPVC ni aluminium ye ni nyina kama e de ma wa eye multiple quest won mo kan ho bi ene ye de eye sompa obi bas no e de ebre bia na won so pese odu ajaton de eto bas no mu bia 0547 548 538 0547 548 538 won mo eka hono bi na yajebre na yede kase ebre wo won mo adawro manso nti na sompa obi bas no adechie yede bre wo wochena eye anopa no onum edikosi anwumre no nson ye to akase no eso
abusia ye to aso a emrasa badwafie ho a na yeda so gina so afo ono na wo hwe wo mai Ghana ngomasua so yewura Haruna Idrisu na wakasa wo badwafie ho ne nkasa no wo ba chese senior high school wo ba ye no wo ba beto ye no se ya didi a ebeka se obese japade anko obefai kanso asa na waba befa ne no na wonu mo hwe ni mo se 1.3 million tablets wonu becha de ama adesuafo de asua de enu mu emu ahenkro na de wotwe empema ahenkro na de wotwe de edi kan akọ ya ni nyina echi no wo mo hwe ni mo se de aka ekire nso ebetimi akro saa asem ya wo kan no contract no $337 million US Trump dollars ne bi ye no get fund na ehwe etimi atoto eho ne manyina nanso nan kamera da ho wo se wo mo customize ye ya de suan kwa na betimi de suan wontimi mfa anye bibia bio nanso wo mo anya anwie na ebi kura akro enam so ma suanfo ne bi afa bronya ho wo mo de ewe nkra kase titru wono ma asoro a wotimi to yake no wo mo de hwe bronsam Katu.
I inherited a contract worth about $337 million US, where some 1.3 million tablets was to be distributed across the country to all free senior high schools in the country so that learners can have access to digital tools. I'm told that deployment of that is around 980,000. We are through GET Fund supporting the distribution across the country. But my attention this morning, Mr. Speaker, was drawn to the fact that many of the devices are not customized and the students are using it for other purposes, including pornography, which is not acceptable.
Enyakura na ewie no honorable amananso ho ena wo kire se abane ye de obetumi bia hwese tablet no emra kwan so se de wo se ye no ɛyɛ ne saa na ɛno akyi botɛnti a wɔn de baeɛ no esuafoɔ no nso edi so saa de sua deɛ.
And therefore, Mr. Speaker, government is taking a high view of it, and there must be
Yewura Harry na Edrusu no na wɔde ato so kyɛ wɔn mo de hyehyɛ bi egu apono so ayɔ kora lɔkolɔko baabi pɛsɛ wɔde kɔyɛ nneɛma bi ɛmfra nya de ebebie de ama wɔ wei ɛyɛ mmarahyɛ badwafie ɛnɛ ɛna wɔde saa nsɛm yi to dwa.
Yada so agyinamu ɛwɔ nwomesua ensɛmu na Child Rights International CRI wanom so ɛkasa ɛbɔ amane akyerɛ mu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ aban no ɛyɛ nneɛma bi ɛdeboa na enwoma ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ sukuusu ahodoɔ mu SHS yankanka paa no wɔn mo kyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛma Ghana de hyeɛ yɛte aseɛ CRI for ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɛna no asɛm yi a esi yɛ ɛwɔ Wesley girls yɛ wi aseɛ kɔpie mu ɛwɔ court yi ɛnam so koraa ma yɛahyɛ date sɛ wɔn mo san so mɛtena se ne deɛ kɛka ho ya ɛfa ɛyɛ fekuo ɛne som ho nyamesom wɛsɛ me deɛ ɛyɛ Christianity wɛsɛ me yɛ Muslimini enti ɛkwan a mɛmɛfa so bɔ me mpa yɛ nie ɛkwan a mɛfa so me dress ni ɛyɛ pinso no CRI mpanimfoɔ sɛ aban no ɛmɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu paa SHS ahodoɔ wɔ ɔman yi mu no wɔn mo mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛkwan a yɛfa so ɛma ɛsom anaasɛ fekuo no yɛde wura mu na adehyeɛ ɛnte aseɛ na ɔpani a wɔn wɔyɛ executive director Edema CRI dwumakwe ɛyɛ Ora Bright Apia wɔse ɛna no Catholic bishops and Christian council for no wɔnom kra akasa ya wɔn mo kyerɛ mu sɛ the ACL Wesley girls hɔ no wɔn no sɛ wɔn yɛ sɛ ebia Muslimifo anaasɛ ebia obi som Buddhist ana obi ɛsom tigari konfo wɔn so ɛmɛfa kwan ya ɔwɔhyɛ po saa ne god ana ne gods no ɛwɔ suku hɔ a ɛbɛma nneɛma ayɛ disorganized asɛ ɛbɛyɛ bibisi bi basa nneɛma enkoyie ɛwɔ suku hɔ Child Rights International sɛ wɔn ne panimfoɔ no ɛnya dwen ɛsan sɛ ɔhwɛ mu a akɔda bia wɔ ne fundamental rights enti ne wɔkɔ suku no ɛkwan a wɔfa so a ne gidie wɔsom no ɛno ɛna wɔse yɛboa ɛma otimi som obi ani hɔ no mu a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ suku pani yɛ wɔse wɔtiatia ɛmɔfra ɛfa hodie so ɛwɔ suku sahodo mu.
If we have a good policy guiding the way and manner we should do things, time and space would also be defined as to what people need to do. There's no policy that is intended to cause chaos in any environment. So if you're able to establish the fundamentals and get it right, I don't think that we'll be talking about how chaotic the situation will be or how people will take the law into their own hands to determine the time that they have to pray or the time that they have to do whatever it is. So I am of the view that let's get the fundamentals right, and then we'll be able to deal with a substantive issue that has to do with how do children exercise their religious rights and manifest it. That's the most important thing.
Executive Director Yawada Child Rights International CRI Jumekwe wanum eja wanom edwene enkwada ho wamo freedom ho nsam so wamo fundamental rights ho nsam so no wono anu pani otua no Ora Bright Apia ene wono so ode nanu atomu e wosansem yi
eba na sa fa akoda no ko medimafo eba center na akwaje nimde ene apomden efama no hwe medimafo eba center ho no eho na yare wahodo bi a ekoso e wo ho no yetwa aba hwe ano se ebi o ho a akwada amabo nsempo obehwe no enemre mu ayetie ya wozon le ye mu atie na climate no sesa rough no ubehu na akwada na stroke ache no oh obeka beka ajeso adini ko medimafo eba center ne yehwe no akwada kiti a wonhye dan nyini nya adwuma bia o se sisiye ne ya ne kotodwe ne chepe ne jonku diabetes wo so prostate won how hypertension kidney failure yade bi age adwa ewo ne paduanum medimafo eba center ene etu ase kora awo na ema ewa awade enu mu a udu medimafo eba center ebeboa amo awo ni bi na ho so bibia atimi aye fine ye opoku ase mayira eho na yade ne nyina eyira na afei eno ankra ha ena kuma senso ebu akwa agogo ema yade ne gogo kama ne yabo ne bongarat na ho atimi atopa ye ne aban suko ne ho no ena edi ademhwe number sabetimi afra bia na bibi kire wadwen a 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500 727215. Just bread and pastries. And one more day, just hot kenke at the bar. One more we are seeing who says, hey, what docono, what docono. Now I'm ready about docono polo. Docono chance wubu okwa jemoba and adia bebu docono beresa. There be any docono sao. Ye ni brand ya se ho adaje. Just hot kenke no. Se we obi a woton docono. Na yes ye te obere so e de ama wo no. Ko just hot kenke ya kacha na se just bakery. Na ko tu docono e beton. Baby a ye no state of the art and ye de ye docono no. And a bro no e de ye no. E bro yellow corn no a eno na hoden wo mu vitamins wo bebre no. E no ye de aye. Ena no achi uye dwumadie bia na wo pedokono wo ade aserve wo ma e ba ne bia na se dwumadie na se a o frɛ ne ha o pempem ha ye be ri nyina kama ade abrawo ye ka nyina ye de ma baako 3 Ghana cedis and ye de ma baako eno nti mpe we na apede he tumirika bra do me ha ya commercial bank na chi ho e ho na Just Bakery ye wo ana frɛ yen wo 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 na only yen abonkomo RSYD Novigi Studios yen ye to nsafre wo he bebia ye twa camera photo krekre se won betimi ye adwuma ne yie enya mfaso pa e wo so a chance wo mo ba ye nchen beji nim de no eno nti adenti na wo pese wo twa no wo ma ye ho straight sansa kwa wonse ni wura wo ba ye ho a ye ni nyina kama e de ma wo videos a pese wo ye nyina no RSYD Novigi Studios ehon ye to nsafro sebra na enye nyina kama utwa skate ebi krompa wo ye movie anase wo ye sound engineer bia obi abe record nwom wo ho na wo pe ba bia ye music video ana wo pe obi ama na twa music video e de ama no a wo ba ya ho a ye ba be ni nyina kama e de ama he locations ye concert so costume ni nyina ye beboa wo na bibia atumi e fine wo video no ba wo bi ehu ase correct video we de ye kama pa ye kira kwan e wo enkran ha ya mala mabase First Kokoko Street ehon ye butuo ana je number no 0574 715 778 and 0303 974 822 RSYD Novigi Studios aya bra ho na ho na oda yeso no etimi ebem pa won ma da woroma mayana ne ehu sima pemra ye ba Sompa kase ye de to aso
medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o do na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfim me biem
na wo hwese mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me do hwimese
enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, do. Yas herbal, yas whitening, and the yas total care gel toothpaste, and then the brush. Ebusian chamfa.
Se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abedwa so abeboy.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra.
Midimafo heba clinic aba Accra.
Ani o wonti e passengers egumi kai mu yi. Ehwa na dodo na ekro.
Ene sa Accra ne ne botem ye demo.
Ani ye demo ampa. De se de edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. Abo Dr. Dujamfi Babaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here ayaresa no aye more. Oh, missing minim wife ye kopa wo. 1 year 1 cedi. Nyin se ne beto mu ansa na ye tues ka no. Nso mi connection na enhyeda nkoye na esakakra. Ti se wa page mu amahode bam.
Connection ne mu de we.
Obo wo de ba de kro. Stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wo wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kumasi say
owo agogo opposite government school no
ana nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282
and 0500 727215
Midimafo Herbal Clinic
Wudimafo ne hwa
obiari hia emwa shonko bia ebema ni ni opepa aye de change onga mama sano boafo FDA Agyeiwaa yin krato yaso
Sompa Achedie
2025
Yabo Yaba Bible say nyame sompa pani say ubi konwu nyanka ene ewisia mobo enuti na sompa 93.1 Kumase
Sompa 106.5 Techiman
90.7 Enkransa
101.1 Takwa
98.9 Sunyane
and Sompa 106.5 Accra
Yakabom se bronye yebema enisia ene ekranfo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen
enti se ya anwa emmo tin tomatoes ntade empaboa ye bia wa hyadada wonsan ehia enye ntade dada na emom de yebetime de ya che amano ayeye monfa meboa yen ne yefa mamobrofo ekunafo enyanka ne ewusia
ebusuafo yemfa ye hunhyem na propose prepa oboadu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye sompa achede ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598 559802 meeting mu biem 0598 559802 ediye waso yetara 1 media
anasa Blessed Foster
branya bosome ni bebodwa trada na de amode tomo ye no ye de ama ekunafo yi mu amu ye bi afie etwemu no emu adanse de de mu amu nim sompa achede
2025 yaba
TV Emma Aketuapa
Nokre Emma Aketuapa afeya densam no ekopie mu ewo amanone wa amanone nsemu no yegyina mu ewo gine bisa ba bia ene yede Hotbite ede ekosi ye no eho ene yegyina na abantugu akoso enra amene ya amene wokase ya no General Hota Ntam wo mama na so akofuna mu eswai se wode atuduro ebedware afra no de atrabo sompo na afi wode ahura traja srama e de abogini bisa aman no eho bra na bibia atumi akoyie pa wo kire se wo so akofuna mu a wo so ayi eno kire se wobeboa ama niema nyina atumi akoyie na gini bisa afo asomdwe a omope no wode wo makosa asomdwe bo hye no eho ye kasa sesi yi mampani a wo mutu na de so enra His Excellency Umaru Sissoku Embalo wono na empani a kire se wono ani sojafo ene wo makasi ani amo ma hyeda ye so ma ye ku se ne be ya anano abato amoto ya enche bia nanka wo mo be baba no so ya wo mo kire se wono hwepetetekremu a wadi ncho enempo na nkomba baba no so no wo mo hwepetetekremu a wadi ncho no wo se ne ye won tena ho sanse nimguase mfata kan ni ba ene ye sojafo ma gi akonwa no na wo mo nko eno ya atesem ama anoma bia wo military wono mo office wo mo headquarters wo ba bie abomodin ahwespa e de aguso mpaka se yasum your friend say an unnamed military source ya wane so mpaka se bo nkomo no what say embalo ya kana asemi wo sojafo no wo mo staff headquarters ne ya sesi akura ya kase wo ho ya ne hwa mo hwe no wo chenkura sabra no odi mampani no wo mo hwe ne ye pa na won kire say sadi a esi nyina no he ukopie mu ewo gini bisa ho a eba ne nubone pa oh wo mo ye ho ade pa ya sojafo agi akonwa no wo mo hwe say aso nubone no beto akoso ana se tuo ebetwa abusia we so na ye gina na yede sompa Hotbite kase no yede ne nyina ade asi enmire nsemo yede som wo no na poso bie ene se
mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo de aso akọ fom obechim se poultry processing factory wono monsi
Posifu a wanom ewo takwa ewo atoye emantamo efa wanom ehwe so wo ho no wo machemu se de video bi epopi ye ewo tintan video no so a na mrante kwa bi ekita yi wan wo mudi yi emamienu eti etwitwa won tade mu ka ho bo wo mota kwatre kwa no wanom ache adehye bi abako tawia wadwane ye hwe ono so akere no
eno na maame no wo de kan fit e de akwakoto ne ma wo asenfo sudwom ama ya ache no akwele Rose for chase wo mo ye ne mo hwehwemu ye de mo nsam brewo
tablet ya enwo so ya na acheche de ama senior high school for yɛwura hari na aduru se enkoda ne bi di hwepono pono nso de yɛn soso na wie yɛ gono
Sadana Child Rights International CRI mpanifo so aba amani akire musa akwada bia won fundamental rights entini se waso akwa SHS na obegu veli wade mu abebo fam a eye ne right no no mpanifo hye na sasem a SCC Wesley Gas se wo mo de na aba ne kenti wanom hye na wo mo yehu bibi
ensem no na ahodo bebre kan we no mo ho ena nuan mo basa ye beje bre ekenkan ni nyina kama edema wo bra na etwa no ho Sompa 106.5 FM so won kran ha no na Sompa 93.1 FM ewo Kumasi Ejigum Ayiko 100.9 wono so Ejigum ewo Kumasi hono a Adamfopa Radio ewo France woma hinklo Paris no mo Sompa 101.1 ewo Takwa Sompa 103.3 ewo Takra de Sompa 106.1 Watachiman Sompa 98.9 ewo Sunyane ena Sompa 90.7 won Kranza Sompa 101.3 enso ewo Doma Kingdom 106.1 FM ewo Mankasim ena Kaneshi Urban Radio ewo Nkranheya Kaneshi no wono so ebogum ho kama afa udiko da ne so no Sompa FM yejinamu Facebook ne TikTok ne Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and afa YouTube ne Sompa FM Live www.sompaonline.com so ensemi dodo na no ehwie edigu ho yedi eye Obrempong na kwakwam ena
Abena Adepa Kofi enafi
triple mine ejapia apamdada
Are you clapping? Are you giving God the glory?
Devia sorry na wo tie mu bobna ene mpentem kwase wo mu a oni wo mu digwa no wo mu di waja ho ene wasere wo ho akuku oduro